Hi YouTube, this is Tara and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so the light is, woo, y'all, this light today, because we got all these different, like little puffy, kind of, little small puffy clouds, and so the sun is like in and out of all of them. I really don't feel well today. I don't know what it is. This is the Juvia's Place pen, brow pen. Okay. And this is what it looks like. It's in dark brown. And I said I was gonna come over on here and do it on doing the video. Dark brown. So I did this one, okay, already at my desk before I clocked in this morning. And I said I'll wait and do like the cleanup and all of that together. Now sometimes when I use this brow pen, I don't care how I do my brow. I mean, I don't care what it looks like. This one I kind of took my time, as you can see, and did it. But I also went in and hopefully I can find one. I'll use this one if I have to. I went in with the crayon case, bribery. And you see how it look like something's missing right there. And then I have to clean it up, which I probably should have left it alone if I'm gonna clean it up anyway. Okay, so we're gonna try to do this eye. I don't have my contacts on. I'm wearing glasses today. And so, as you can see, my eyebrows are real thin and sparse, okay? And so, what I try to do is just do like little small strokes in the direction that my brow is going in, and my brow is going in over to the right. Now this one is not going to be as good because I'm trying to record, okay, and do it at the same time. So this one won't be as good, but I just want to show you all how it goes. Okay, you just want to draw them on like the brow hairs, okay? Do short, quick, like strokes. Short, quick, light strokes. And I've done that too thick. I ain't gonna even lie. I did that too thick. Okay. Still don't look bad, but and I try not to hit the same spot twice because that make it look too dark. Okay, hold on, let me get my stuff. So I found this Juvia's Place, but that's a little bit too light. So I'm gonna go in with the foundation stick. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna rub some of the foundation on the brush. If you can see that. Okay.